Hello everyone, welcome back to next episode of Mastery in Commerce. Today I am back with the next episode of chapter 3 of Accountancy, recording of transactions part 1. We were doing the unsolved questions given at the end of the chapter. We have completed till question number 19. I have also given you the examples of ledger accounts which you are supposed to prepare. One or two ledger accounts I have prepared in the videos. Rest all I have given you as homework. I hope you are following up with what we are doing in the videos. Now next we will be doing today question number 20 given on page number 96 of your book, the books of accounts. Journalize the following transactions in the book of Messrs. Beauty Traders. Also post them in the ledger. So all the accounts we cannot do transfer in the ledger, but you can please see an example which I will be doing and then you can do it accordingly. So now we are given the year as 2017, December 1. Started business with cash. So by now I hope the entries you all have learned, because we are doing today 20th question. So lots of times we have been repeating the golden rules of accountancy. I hope you all have learned them by heart, because without them accounts is incomplete. Now, being business started with cash. Right? Now next we have December 2 entry. Bought office furniture. So when nothing is mentioned, in which out of cash we have got it. Furniture account debit to cash. It is for how much? 30,000. Now next is December 3. Please write the narration. I am not writing the narration for each and every question, but please you write it, because narration carries separate marks. Now third, paid into bank to open a current account. So it is a contra entry. Bank account debit to cash. So it is 1 lakh. After this we come to December 5. It is purchased a computer and paid by check. So we will write computer account debit to bank. Why? Because it is paid by check. So how much is the amount? 2,50,000. Now next we have December 6. Bought good on credit from Ritika. So purchases account debit to Ritika, because Ritika is the giver and goods are coming in, right? So goods purchased December 6, bought goods on credit from Ritika, 60,000. Now after this we have December 8. December 8 is cash sales. So what has come in? Cash account debit to sales, right? Now it is 30,000. After this we come to December 9. December 9 entry, sold goods to Karishma on credit. So who is the receiver? Karishma. She has not paid us cash. So Karishma account debit to sales, right? So 25,000. Then next we have December 12. December 12 entries, cash paid to Mansi on account 30,000. So Mansi is the first time we are referring in this question. Earlier no name was there. So we will just write who is the receiver? Mansi. Mansi account debit to cash. We have paid cash to her. 30,000. Right? Now next we have December 14. December 14 is goods returned to Ritika. So where was Ritika? Over here. We have purchased from Ritika. How much goods we have returned? 2,000 goods are returned. So the entry will be Ritika account debit to purchase return. So whenever we are returning something, we make entry this way. Ritika account debit to purchase return 2,000. Now December 15. December 15 is stationery purchased for cash. So stationery account debit to cash. So how much stationery is purchased for? 3,000. Then next we have paid wages. December 16. So it will be wages are our expenses, debit all expenses, credit what goes out. So cash is credited. Wages account debit to cash. So 1,000, 1,000. I hope till here it is clear to everyone. Let us draw the columns to write the other entries. Now we go to December 18. December 18 it is goods returned by Karishna. So we had sold. Now she has returned us back. This one. So it will be sales return account debit to Karishma. How much she has returned to us? 2,000. We had returned to one party, the other party has returned us. Okay. Now December 20. December 20 is check given to Ritika for 28,000. Okay. Check given to Ritika. So who is the receiver? Ritika account debit to bank. In full settlement is not mentioned over here. So whatever is there, we will just write that amount. Check given to 28,000. It is check, that is why I have written bank over here. Why bank is written? Because check is mentioned. Now December 22. December 22 is cash received from Krishna on account 15,000. So Karishma has given me 15,000. So what has come to me? Cash account debit to Karishma. Okay. She has paid me 15,000. Right. Now next December 24. 24 is insurance premium paid by check. So insurance is my expense. Okay. Insurance premium account debit by check. So bank. How much it is? 4,000. I am doing the entries. I know by now you might have practiced many questions. You can check your journal entries whether they are correct or not. Now check received from Karishma 8,000. Again I have received from Karishma, but this time she has paid in check. So it will be, when I receive, it will come in bank. Bank account debit to Karishma. Okay. So 8,000. Now next is December 28. December 28 is rent paid by check. So rent account debit to bank. Most of the transactions are happening through bank. So in this question we are going to get a good entries in the bank ledger. Now 2 more entries are left. December 29. Purchase goods on credit from Meena Traders. So purchase account debit to Meena Traders. Okay. It is 20,000. Now the last entry of the question we will quickly finish. It's December 30. Cash sales. So cash sales means cash account debit to sales. Amount is 14,000. I hope you all are getting the golden rules which I am using in each entry. This finishes our question. Now we will make the ledger of, let us make for Karishma. Okay, for example, Karishma account. So ledger, I hope you all remember the format. Okay, now this is date, this is particular, this is general folio, then amount, then date, particular, then general folio, then amount. Okay, so these are the details. Now let us see where Karishma is, from where we started. Here. So you know this is two side and this is buy side. Now Karishma is over here debited. So 2 sales will come for which date? December 9. No need to write 2. So sales, how much? 25,000. Okay. Now Karishma is where? Next Karishma is over here. Sales return. So it is buy side. Sales return is for how much? 2,000. Okay. Now Karishma is over here. December 22. Cash. How much he has given me? 15,000. Now Karishma is over here by bank. December 26. Bank. How much? 8,000. Okay. I hope these are the only entries which are related to Karishma's account. So let us see which side has more balance. 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. Now you see both the sides are coming equal. See, it is 25,000 sale which transaction which I had with Karishma, right? But over here if you see, then total is also coming as 25,000. It means Karishma's account is nil now. Whatever transaction happened between me and Karishma, or Karishma was supposed to pay me, that whole transaction is over. She has given my amount. See the total of both the columns, it is coming as 25,000 and over here also 25,000. So ledger is not only helping me to see what is debit or credit of a particular customer, but it is also telling me what is outstanding for me to receive from my debtor. So my debtor has completely paid. She was supposed to give me 25,000, but goods are returned by her, and then whatever was left she has paid me in 2 installments. Right? So this is the way how we check with the ledger of each account and find out how much balance is outstanding. This is another way in which ledger is helping us. So like this, we are going to make ledger for each and every account. Every time I used to make in my video cash ledger, but this time I thought let me show you the ledger of one debtor also, so that it is clear that how ledger is helping us dealing with one kind of customer. Like this you can make for creditors also, and you can understand how much money you have to pay back to the creditor. This is the easiest way. Ledger, when from journal to ledger we are posting, we are not only sending the transaction detail, but we are also finding out our outstanding money which is to be debited or credited. So it makes us easy to calculate the whole transaction. Okay, so I hope this video has made it clear to you that not only cash account, and it is also quite similar to the cash book which you will be maintaining in the next chapter, it also helps you to find the balance. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. I will be grateful if you ask me your queries, because I really want you to work hard towards this subject which is new for you this year. This subject is very easy and interesting. Only few basic rules you have to follow which will help you understand it better. We will meet in the next video again. Till then, bye.